Have you ever struggled to determine the exact input needed to reach a specific target in your spreadsheet? Well, this is where Excel's goal-seek function comes into play. If you're not familiar with goal-seek, here's a brief explanation. Goal-seek is a powerful Excel tool that helps solve what-if scenarios by adjusting an input value to achieve a desired result. It works by repeatedly calculating and adjusting a formula until it reaches a specific target value, taking the guesswork out of the equation and eliminating the need for manual trial and error calculation. This feature is particularly useful in financial modeling, break-even analysis, and other business scenarios, where you need to determine the required input for a specific outcome. GoalSeek saves time and ensures accuracy in your data analysis, making it an essential tool for data analysts and business professionals. Now that we understand what GoalSeek is, let's dive into a practical example to see how it works in action. But before that, if you liked the video so far, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about new content. Also, if you stick to the end, I'll be throwing a bonus formatting tip. Let's say we have a small business with the following data. Monthly revenue of $50,000, fixed cost of $30,000, variable cost being 40% of revenue, and we wish to make a profit of 10 grand. Our goal is to find the required revenue to achieve the desired profit. Our monthly revenue is 50,000, the fixed cost is 30,000, the variable cost is 40% of the monthly revenue. So the profit is the revenue less fixed cost less variable cost. In the case at hand, our profit is 0. Now we're gonna use the goal-seek function to achieve the desired profit of $10,000. On the Data tab, in the Forecast group, click What If Analysis and then click Goal-Seek. In the Set Cell box, enter the reference for the cell that contains the formula that you want to resolve. In our example, set cell B4 to value 10,000 by changing cell B1. Click OK. GoalSeek adjusted the revenue in B1 to achieve the desired profit of $10,000 in B4, considering fixed and variable costs. And there you have it. You've just unlocked the power of GoalSeek. This tool is your secret weapon for solving complex what-if scenarios in just 3 clicks. Now, as I promised at the beginning of the video, here's the bonus formatting tip. Ever struggled with messy, unaligned columns in your cells? Here's a quick formatting trick to make your spreadsheet look instantly professional. Now, in our example here, the columns are not in a straight line, so if we need to adjust them all, it's gonna be hectic and annoying. So it's gonna take too much time. So here's my formatting trick. First of all, let's remove the columns. Now select the cells, press Ctrl 1 to go to the format cells. Under the number format, go to text, then custom, add asterisk, space, and column. There you have it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more Excel tips. Share in the comments how this will help your work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.